Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the new Era Alice in Wonderland White Rabbit 940 cap. So let's go ahead and remove the clear bag. So this is a new Era Alice in Wonderland White Rabbit cap. It's a one-size-fits-most cap. And let's open up the bag. And take the cap out from it. So the bag's recyclable. Let's make sure we keep that away from toddlers or babies and recycle it. So as you can see, the cap is white with black embroidery. And it's a 940 cap. So we have the curved visor and structured and contoured crown. And just taking an all-round look at the cap. So it comes only in a one-size-fits-most white and black colorway. And taking a look at the underside of the visor. And at the back of the cap, you can see that there is an "I'm late" text embroidered on the back of the cap. So giving you a close-up look at the 940 sticker. And of course, the silhouette of the white rabbit. You can see that he is in a hurry, holding his pocket watch up and looking at the time while grasping or clutching onto an umbrella in his other hand. And just taking a look at the fine stitching detail or embroidery on the front panel of this 940 cap. So you can see that white rabbit has a bow tie on his neck. And let's fold out the cap, and you can see the embroidered New Era logo on the left side of the cap. And just taking a look at the fine details of this 940 New Era Alice in Wonderland White Rabbit cap. So giving you a close-up look at the "I'm late" embroidery on the back of the cap. And it does have an adjustable strap at the rear. And taking a look on the inside, underside of the cap. You can see the New Era one-size-fits-most label on the left and the Disney embroidery on the right. And the care instructions as well, giving you a close-up look right there. So this is a 100% cotton cap. And on the right inside of the cap, you can see the Disney tag or label there. And on the reverse side of the front panel, you can somewhat make out the silhouette of White Rabbit. And once again, giving you that close-up look on the underside of the curved visor. And taking a look straight on at the cap. With its curved visor, 940 sticker, and black and white embroidered White Rabbit on the front panel of this 940 New Era Alice in Wonderland White Rabbit cap. So giving you a nice all-round look. At this black and white colorway New Era Disney Alice in Wonderland White Rabbit 940 cap. So taking a look at the adjustable strap at the back inside of the cap right there. And once again, the White Rabbit on the front panel of this cap. So that's New Era Alice in Wonderland White Rabbit 940 cap. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!